nganing kagay ng solaga. Welcome sa kwisa. Achiwi chief guest he Dr. Somi Sariel, football promoter, Nasami Delay, Aling Soliga special guest being Chia, YL Crawford, Kangray Vishal, as Baring, Raishim Rukui, Chinao Chung Likam, Yangahao Pere, amateur Zinkai, Kalasari Maya Hunpunwo, UKHRUL High Secondary School principal, Mary Kaidang, Tangkul Nagalong with Vice President Tuisem Kamkara, Hibing Hinang Soliga, SHIRUI Chief Guest Ling Sorami Delay. SHIRUI Maso na Pom Kuimaman Delay Yari Ning Karak Masamila, Kashikanganing Mise. Yari Saikoruna Pamise Nishinare.
Hello. Magdachiko Kagashunga SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 National Level Football Tournament UKHRUL Headquarters Opening Ceremony Li Razanghai Kranau Bing Avava Bing Tangkulwi Longnau Bing Special Dignitaries Hunpun Kuwi Aunga Kala Katana Bing Utsawi Senior Member Bing Yarwi SHIRUI UKHRUL District Sports Administration we shongai na tum SHIRUI welcome sadale. Achi opening ceremony we compare si karkwira leng I kala shanting shaiza inina samira.
Itumwi opening ceremony he hopok pai kawai. Opening prayer he Reverend Zakley Kaping, Pastor PHUNGYAR Baptist Church. Na mga hilirada opening prayer he Samiruno ana sakop Shanghai laga flag hoisting he Achiwi Masowo na Samira.
Itum sai gore kuim shunzang da siasa se. Rekamadaya Gasakwa Vibra Archizimic Shaw Nali Itum Shai Gorna Ningshida Masot Midale Itum Yur Hili Rivrana Somida Okatwina Kangajana Awon SHIRUI Lily He Itumli Aman Saklak Kahaya learn him ye Juwang Riranali Tum Sai Gorna Ningshe Broho Awon Hiwi Aman Gasakji Taida Vira Itumwing Ajali Engineer Sagasa Mr. Lokenli Rivrana Nagasatmida SHIRUI Lily Cup Haupoke Zingum mugda chiko we mamangli juwang ning she yar khog juwang ning she achi rashungda hidada itum SHIRUI LILY CUP kangreu hiwang ning she achi zimiksho utsa UKHRUL Sports District Sports Association we member saikor leader otram ngtumi kahai arui ngtumi da glaya Katana bing member sai ko rui wang rabi branali ning shida masot midale achiz miksho matai lagaina magada chiko ka shunga SHIRUI LILY CUP hopok kawai abam hili itumli na narakazip kang sakiwang vibraning she nali masot midale SHIRUI LILY CUP He UKHRUL lungli ribra nana somida ramnau ka chungkhala SHIRUI LILY CUP pena semi haire juwang na ningshe aruila leibabam dale atum sai korui dungli ribra nana somilo achizimik show broho itumui chief guest Dr. Somi Sario kala itumui welcome address migidakle itumui leisha mai somi bam nunglang Gala itumui MLA, Gala UKHRUL District Sports Association we President, Program ni sangahai, sai kor we wang running she. Program hi ranu ninyang kung program sang sakmilo, program ni sharuk kwigada clay, itum sai kor li ribra nana somilo. Gala achiwi, magada jiko, SHIRUI LILY CUP we tournament di sangita khlaya team sai kor team members ka chivu dungla vibrana na somida kipali khla kala kashi hapka khno mushok na sakmi lak kalo ring pha lagaina dacham daramaina tournament hi how pok laga ka kupaina dangda vibrana na mayon milo na makar milo kan milo ngak milo ji tumui sai ha ka sane ngreugi da klebing sai kor na la ningai khamataina uklung khamataina legishi kyashi kangorok ngling ngreolaga proho mashit mano mai khwai itum khok khasa khwai kala state ngadai na ungre proho itum them swing rok laga itum matha mai dang shik laga ringmarum khwai we proho dana khamaya atam rang sang sak milo sai korui dungli vibran na so milo kala referee sami de clay sai koru dung la ribra nui gizing la mui thang matchi nana sang mi da atum na kamashung kang rong ai na referee sami khawai ki ka kui ka giza mring pha hang rok mu shok lak khawai ro nana atum li la ribra somilo tournament hi achai na thui laga ku bai na dang da ki khanala map khno lak kruno ro weather la mathang sak milo Kika Hapka Kano Kla Kashila Musok Sakmi Lak Kalo Tournament Hiena Proho Nui Ningyang Kung Nui Mai Gak Vai Nui Ming Dek Dek Vai Ngasaruno da Sai Kor Hibri Brightum na Nali Ningashi Masot Kamien Ngasoda Karinga We come here Jishu Christo we mean sing the Sayagasane Amen
Reverend Lee Seasak Chuvang Ningshik Chungkami Delaye Ara itumui mangali shunai da kale flag hi pilan hi kangka khawai ishiwe kya shikabaya maso ali mga chili valaga pilan ji kangka mi khawai request satellite itumui pilan hi kangka khawai maso ali mga we pilan shunai da kale kangka mi khawai request satellite hi kupchang hai like Welcome addressee Somipam Lunglang, Co-Chairman, Organizing Committee, 29 SLC 2021. Saikoron ang ning kagay ng soga kyak shimise. Bakuda Chikoka Kushunga, SHIRUI LILY CUP Arena, Hopokaira, Saikorana, Banka, Kapen, Solka, Ramkuse. Saikorana Pamilo. Our welcome address is Somipom Lunglang, Co-Chairman, Organizing Committee, 29th SLC 2021, Liatam Middelay. Anakub Mushida, Special Performance, SHIRUI Village, Wena Kanganasam Pangra. Welcome address Wivang, Somipom Lunglang, Co-Chairman, Organizing Committee, 29 SLC 2021, Liatam Middelay.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Somi Sarev, Special Guest, Y.L. Crawford, Kanri Vusha, Paring Singnaishui, Raisim Rugui, Chinautung Luikam, Yankau Pere, Amata Chinkai. These are the footballers, sportsperson of the yesteryears, the special guest. Reverend Zakle Kaping, Pastor, PHUNGYAR Baptist Church. Colonel Manoj Sinde, Commanding Officer of the 35 Assam Rifle, who is also member of the organizing committee. Lieutenant Colonel John Sherry, General Manager of the National Highway Infrastructure Development Limited. Can you please stand up, Lieutenant John Sherry? We have in our midst Mr. T.S.M. Kamkara, the President in charge of the Tangkul Nagalong, and his colleagues. Madam Veronica Zinkai, President Tangkul Chinnagalong, and her colleagues. Members of the media fraternity, represented by the UKHRUL district. Working journalist, participants of the 29th SHIRUI Lily Football Cup, Nako Football Club from Imphal West, AIM from Imphal West East, Trau from Imphal West, Klasa from Bishnupur. From UKHRUL we have United Brothers Football Club, Pasi Football Club, Yarkok Football Club, and PHUNGYAR Football Club from Kamjong district. We have also two teams from outside the states, that is New Market Kohima from Nagaland, Shillong Razong Football Club from Meghalaya. The SHIRUI Lily Cup was first organized in the year 1973, and it is the second oldest tournament in the state of Manipur after the Sir Churachan Memorial Meet, known as the Sisi Meet. It was only after 45 years the SHIRUI Lily Cup is upgraded to the national level in 2008. It became an all India football open invitation. And it was possible only through the guidance and supports of the All Manipur Football Association and which we thank them very much. 10 years have elapsed since the last SHIRUI Lily played in 2011. And it's mainly because of the lack of sponsorship and lack of the infrastructural facilities in the district. And this year, we have a new team, a new leader, Mr. Alfred Kangam Arthur, the incumbent MLA of 44 UKHRUL Assembly segment, being the president of the UKHRUL District Sports Association, and his team decide to revive the SHIRUI Lily Cup once again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I, on behalf of the Chairman, Organizing Committee, welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the 29th edition of the SHIRUI Lily Cup. And I want to remind the coaches, the managers of the participating team, the referees and the umpires, and the fans of the football lovers in particular, let us not forget fair play. I repeat, fair play. Thank you.
Thank you so much, the co-chairman of the organizing committee, 29 SLCE 2021. Now we have a special performance coming up from SHIRUI Village. I now give the time to SHIRUI Village for the special performance, which will be followed by presidential address and presentation by Alfred Kangam Arthur, MLA President of UTSA. Lahing Ranma Mandalay Laka Yarili Katishat Akasadale Zingtun Shongwi Kate Ngalem Chili Building Construction we are Tungli Leda Klenatum Saikorali Ground we along Li Zang Laka Sang Yang Mikwai Welcome Sadale Zingtun we Kate Ngalem Chili Construction Tungli Leda Clay being the Tum Saikorna Ground along Li Zang Laka Kazang Yang Miloji Organizing Committee we on behalf of Aina the Tum request Sadale. Ishi security being the chi kayang sang milo guchi akashida panyung saklushidalai. Security being the chi kayang sang milo.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Pilo bing we pilo a John Lily go nó chôn li li mơ lệ li đưa
Isha John Lily Li Pala Na Tum Li Hon Hon Da Zat Hai Ra Single Mama Yo Cơ Chang Adam Li Sampang Nao Sa Da Hang Ni Lu Ji
ngờ vi bông cái chi lý lấy lừa
tăng cứ with make sure strong càng ngỡ cha đã shiri cái sông lý lơ
cái sông lý lời ô shirui lily ô lily nó vi mình mày yang mày lấy shi mày giấc mãi ni ngơi trong rõ hồ lily ni mơ cái điều ở dưới vi amen nó đã thấy nghe sắc mi nó li mà sốt mi li ô shirui lily wo lily wo ô cơ thủy vi mơ ya ngờ lo thiên thiên rõ khờ na vi tê khờ mơ tây thọ mà có sương ngờ mình cho đã chân cơ rõ bình nờ ly lấy shi mây khờ vai mơ thong thức mơ nư rim sầm phăng mi lơ ô shirui lily ô lily nó vi mình mày yang mày lấy shi mày giấc mãi đi ngơi trong rõ hồ lily ni mơ cái điều ở dưới vi amen nó đã thấy nghe giấc mi nó li mà sốt mi li ô shirui lily wo lily na hang na
Barely masod nilu ning thơ đã lấy shi đã có cả xa độc thế lơ mà lại ngờ là so mi lâu hever tăng khu
tông khư li ô shirui lily ô lily nó vi mình mày yang mày lấy shi mày giấc mãi ni ngơi trong rõ hồ lily ni mơ cái điều ở dưới vi amen nó đã thấy nghe sắc mi nó li mà sốt mi li ô shirui lily wo
chia khani yang khunga la shirui lily one kichilaji gana ga khuisam ga PHUNGYAR recycorina niang ungchang khadhairam aratam hi presidential address and presentation wibang Alfred Kangam Arthur MLA President of UKHRUL District Sports Association Limidulay and a group Mushida special performance coming up from Chonchon Vera.
Hello. Ari presentation ivang ishiwi kyashik baya maso Dr. Somi Sareo football promoter na shokran kumirunu. UKHRUL District Sports Association ushongaina ringaphan ningshia zaksada ishiwi presentation now he President Utsana pangran kasamirunu. Next lagi ya reserve gonna punk PMC. Ara issue with special case ping. Issue with special case ping. Karesa the Whale Crawford. Karesa the Whale Crawford li utsaw isongay na pangan mingay dali. Whale Crawford. Kakaneli Kangre Basha. Kagutumali S Paring. Kamadeli Raishim Rukui. Kapangali Chinauchung Likam, Katrugali Yankahau Pere, Kashineli Amateur Sinkai. Next lagi hiwi tijangli Sarimia Hunpuno Headman Hunpun Village Authority. Apamili Amra Zangurtura awi tijangli Tuisem Kamkar President in charge Tangkul Nagalong. Kalakana wasada Mercy Ketang, Principal UKHRUL Higher Secondary School. Aramrature Chena Chitaka Saire Pastor Zakle Kaping, Pastor PHUNGYAR Baptist Church UKHRUL. Ikshilagayre ara presidential address vivang atam ko kibiruno.
Respected Dr. Awo Somi Sareo, Awo Crawford, Awo Kangre, Awo Paring, Awo Raishim, Awo Chinauchung, Awo Yankahau, and Awo Amateur. So also the commanding officer of 35 Assam Rifles, NHIDCL GM, Colonel Retired John Sherry, Amay Tuisem Kamkara, TNL President, and all other protocols addressed with regard to dignitaries in the dais. Achi tada, I'll take the liberty and speak in my language. Kindly excuse me. Hedada achi tsingkum kasanga among reorala for the interest and love of sports. The khire minava ka chilamaning mne achi hi tada ishili utsat new teamly interest salaga with regard to all sporting activities kita promote sa paidi sports promote kasahina healthier lifestyle, a better mindset, a clearer perspective mirinli tharzare kaina ring by meg vang apong hi sports sai naga tang yaho ok thwili naga ta chatna gi hi pning laga jan thaka achakum achukum chatwi kai second lockdown rana na ya tamjili ishi SHIRUI LILY football tournament hi ngreyo saida decision kui gaine laga lockdown ra chang thuyao protocols, various protocols sabayram public gatherings we problem chung narai da ishi ngarai laga achi hi thada All Manipur Football Association before December 6th nashi ngreyo jikang ngreyo or it'll be next year chiliogi da kharna bing lachang kala chili general body in lachang laga ai hi da sangna de da UKHRUL in the entire district yarui rak zip khoi constructive salakan rak zip room laga community yak sada ring room dale gi hila ki thela phai jaugi da thaga ka totle laga tota yarui lila in case of inconveniences amaga cha timing shoi mi khai thawe na berali salila nathumnala ngak milo phyo milo team spingji kachasang salpai ma kachasang salpai chila tang khang thada ishi leksia me somi pamna fair play giji fair play giji hi khuwangla jiga the entire concept of fair play giji hi it's not that may the best man win but may every man give his or her best giji fair play ko de kathe majini yuru no jimning ne kha mi ka cha chawi fair play alungjili ka shap ka saji you give your best and your best is enough ji phungai khang chaina jana no ka shap sa laga no ka them no ka khamatha khushok laga rang reu mi laga tangkhul ngale hili acha laga wi thotaina football first world war we ataman hopok tak football hi ka sang gara khaine tangkhul na Manipur state hilila football we pioneers hadra laga ach ishina khunukli ta lakkan tapam khai thapam khai hi ka ta revive salu virally how do we strengthen this and how do we actually make sure that foundationalize samye phunga thuklakkan angyung sangshung laga village level and semka khwai mang apong hopok se jaugi da then we start with something yaru in relate sa ka pai yaru in football sport not as sports alone but as a unifier of people ming shik khangsak mili la rangrum khangsak kala miwi ka sa khama asa ka wat yeng laga hina khamashung nei hi ringphala kan heta ring room ka phararili gijui shongza hi seniors ka tonga kharnau ka tonga sang laga encourage sak mi mangai na ach for decades and decades kharnau bing na lantern ji mabit nsak la mei ji mabit nsak la ra khangsak mangai na chi tum heta just a start how ko pokhili first issue tenure aching hili 29th SHIRUI LILY football tournament hi khika sai the decision khika hili itum tangkhul ngale li pandak le miur nga teng te le dek le ka tong khui participation sang milaga itum hi we are a progressive and inclusive and moving community ki hi ji theming sakngai achira sang mi khai ka tong thana players ka tong khali kala village wa alungli le dek le headquarter alungli le dek le cooperation milo to the security personnel akha ka salala ka kai ki tek sa ki jang je masa milo ratsang mi gi ji mi bing ban yar bing ban ayarai nung gi ji mi chung jang dele ayarai nung gi ji mi bing hilila the concept of tourism mi hita ung dak le hilira laga tangkhul hewang tei phungai hospitality sector hi ma tha phungai mi yur sa da rana somi kai miura ka sa da by nature mili welcome sathe gi ji hi saming sakngai asam ma infalai na timati kala ayarwena out of the state and as team khani ungi le dek le bing hili wherever they move within the district, our best possible kichi community na chi saming sakngayo kita achi we presidential address li atam kishin ka kuilaga, hoping that the community nanganami laga satwagi ji football tournament we nearly 10 days along hili, let everybody enjoy and let especially the players that have come or that will be coming enjoy to their heart's content, coming and not go back that they have won or lost, but that the people of UKHRUL have won the players' hearts, and they will go back and tell their people that Tangkhul's and UKHRUL as in general is a place to visit in the times to come. Thank you, everybody.
Mr. President, Lee request akasaw kay na nanganing the clays league si kanganing milo presentation akakani lay the lay chiwangay na. As a token of appreciation for your presence, we would like to, the organizing committee would like to give a token of appreciation. May I call upon Colonel Manish Shinde, 35 Assam Rifles, to kindly come on the podium and receive this token of appreciation for your presence here. May I call upon Colonel Manish Shinde, 35 Assam Rifles. Which will be followed by Colonel John Sherry, CEO NHIDCL. Colonel John Sherry, CEO NHIDCL. May I call upon the President Tangkhul Shinau Long, President Tangkhul Mayerngala Long, and President Tangkhul Katamnao Saklong. May I call upon the President Tangkhul Shinau Long, President Tangkhul Mayerngala Long, and President Tangkhul Katamnao Long. Thank you so much. That should be it. Now, let us all welcome Chon Chon Vara on stage for her special performance. Chon Chon Vara, ladies and gentlemen. Sure. One moment in time. Each day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart for every can to taste the sweet. I face the pain. I rise and fall.
be the very best. I want it all, no time for less. I've laid a plan, now laid a chance here in my head. Give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are beat away and the answers roll up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. There, in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. Yeah. You're a winner for a lifetime if you seize that one moment in time, make it shine. One moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are beat away and the answers roll up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. There, in that one moment of time, I will feel, I will be free. I will be free. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, John Vara for you. I now would like to give the time to our honorable chief guest for today. May I request our honorable chief guest for today, Dr. Somi Sarial, football promoter, for his speech. He kupchang hailaga felicitation lay delay.
SHIRUI LILY Singkum Makata Jiko Kakashunga Singkum Hili Sharman Samida Klaya Kala Utsawe President Kala Jilang Maida Utsawe Executive Natumna Iri Higta Apamling and Inkang Sawang Natumri Ningasi Saram Taranga Mitre. Aji mixo iri lazangai da kreya kranausan saiko runa aji wengasan iri lagzang wang natumni lingkapa saram taraga mitre ina dikul khania ga ida dangai I khangreu mi maning mane kha ina khangreu hi ningsang ra ke kajina sambangkla jiga ina khangreu prayer areng simrari ngsoraga ina awiyana kangreu hi sambang hiwi kanganai ina sambangauda ina SHIRUI LILY hi ukruling reuda le jaina kangreu hi sangpungra da iram aunga li hanglaga kangreu hi isina sange chitra na damri Congrel Jiri isi Aung Tang na Kayui Sampang, Jiri isina Shirui Lily Kui. Jui Tiri ihi violently sangawe, violently sanglaga Jui now being na I none a tan bingura the in a Shangtanaga Jirira Kani Katumsi the Kayui Sampang. He Yui Dingapa Akane, Yui. In a Congrel Ning Sang the Katana Adam Jitanjiri, he had a Kayu Sambangagi, Natumni in a Hang Kangaine. E. Duidraga Mahang Mamare, Hena Tangaure, China, in a issue executive being the Ning Wang in a Deonaga, present now coming I. Lakuimiro.
Maso lening shi chung kamita lai kala kapo ka sauge shi felicitation riwang na ka shi da mangali nganing milaga felicitation program we give tina na pangran sami khwai akashi da phaniung sakta lai. Here are some football personalities in felicitation that we would not like to acknowledge for the light they have thrown to football. Karesada Ungayam Muirang, Bengaluru Football Club Li, Reuda Clay Ungayam Muirang, Gakaneli Hormipam Riva from Kerala Blasters, Gagatumali Chanso Horam from Mumbai City, Kamateli, Shanting Shingnaisui, who is the first Dankul lady referee and also currently playing for the league. Atumwi Ungayam Muirang Anna Hilima Lailala Awi Shimkur Gaji Atayasa Narakui Paira Ungayam Muirang with Bengaluru Football Club, Hormipam Riva Kerala Blasters, Chanso Horam Mumbai City. These three personalities are with the Indian Soccer League. Atumura lala shimkur atayasa lay dalay ka katakuyang li mga lira laga karakwimilo gachi request sa dalay. Ungayam Muirang, Bengaluru Football Club, Hormipam Riva, Kerala Blasters, Chanso Horam, Mumbai City. Shanting Shingnaisui, Dankul Lady Referee, Shanting Shingnaisui, Dankul Lady Referee, Chihili Leda Klehine, Hormipam Riva, Kerala Blasters win a Hormipam Riva. Chanso Horam, Mumbai City. Chanso Horam, Mumbai City. These are the football personalities in Tangkul that we would like to acknowledge. Thank you so much. We now have the act of declaration of the 29th SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 and inspection of the team led by the chief guest. Ishimaso no Tanlaga 29th SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 with declaration kala team inspection we atamhi saura. Itumna honching chingay na lay the clay magkadachiko kagashunga SHIRUI Lily Cup Arui atam hitaran declaration kala inspection vivang masawali atam midalay. Magada Chiko Kakushunga, Karema Chili, PHUNGYAR FC, Kala United Brothers FC, Anishina Ngreoki Kjine.
UKHRUL District Sports Association with Shongaina, Felicitation Kwika Mighaya, Ungayam Muirang, Bengaluru FC, Hormipam Riva, Kerala Blasters, Chanso Horam, Mumbai City FC, Ashigutumina, Tangkul na Wing Chaili, Kare Sadala, Ashigutumna Arwi, India Li Paumikap Gji, Indian Super League Ling, Reuza Takalene, Arila, Ngreomaman Haugida, Apamili Mungzangla, Shimkurna, represent Asakamine, Tangkul Sai Gorowi, Mai, Atumna Kangami Dele, Kalachiwi, Mutun Sada, Tangkul, now Sai Gorundala, Atumli Musot Kmien and Soda, UKHRUL District Sports Association of Felicitation Sami the Glene, Kala Shanting Shingnai Suihi, Tangkulwi, Lady Referee, Kala Chimang Maningla, Arila, Club Ling, Reolaga, Ningsang Lagaya, Kaigang Gayang Lana Akane, Alila, UKHRUL District Sports Association we. Shongaina Felicitation Sakamine. Arwitum 29th SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 National Level Football Tournament declare Sakavai Musawana Atam Kibirano.
Magada Chiko Kakushunga, SHIRUI Lily Cup, Haupokabai, Ishiwi Masowana, Ganjipungli, Declaration Kala Inspection of the Team Wivang Zangdalai. Opening ceremony Hiwi Masowo Hi, Dr. Somi Sariel, football promoter, special guest Bing Chia, YL Crawford, Kangre Visha, S. Baring, Raishim Rukui, Chinao Tungli Kam, Yangahao Pere, Kala Amateur Zinkai, Hibihina Sami Delay.
Singtun Shong he Punpun Baptist Church we Christian Youth Society na stall show me the lay Chena Chamang Kangai Bing Rugchang Thai Bing stall hiri Razang mi Paira Singtun Chong Punpun Baptist Church we Christian Youth Society na camp fundraise wivang Youth Camp Fundraise wivang stall show me the lay Chena Natumna Rugchang Thai Aka Hivaki Razang mi Paira. Medical department we shongaina COVID test sakavai kala COVID vaccination put hili show me dale Crown Alungli medical department UKHRUL we shongaina COVID vaccination quick ngai sangaka Crown Alungli COVID center put show me dale natumna rakap kui phaira. Ishiwi 29th SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 he declared Sakavai Masawana Tam Kumirano. Thank you. Yarwi sai ko na pang phe mi se. Team Achiwi Ngraugi ji team PHUNGYAR FC and United Brothers FC we player list Kachagwa Lungli Karami Sangalo. PHUNGYAR FC we manager Kala United Brothers we manager Kawa Koni Shaka player list Kachagwa Lungli Karami Sangmilo. Thank you.
Yarili Paningung Sakhangai Akana. UKHRUL District Sport Association with members Itungwilung Li Makalay Atombing Li Paningkung Sada Matchy Kickoff Masarang Laka 2 minutes of silence. He Queen Jena Natum Saikorana Chi Akashida Paniung Sak Lushitale Itungwe Matchy Kickoff Masarang Laka 2 minutes of silence. Itungwe Utsawi members Mawan Satui Kai Pingli Paningkung Sada Itum observe Sagi Kine Aming Bingji ina Patami Gai Shingpa Luikam of Hunpun Ngayami Kushung of Hunpun Ngachan Peter Chipang of Hunpun N. Everest Luikam of Hunpun Alice Philip of Hunpun K. Ningtam of Lungher A.S. Vaushai of Hunpun Leongam Wunglang of Hunpun Ungreso Rungsung of Lamblang A.S. Longsang of Hunpun Bautam Zimik of Hunpun, Mark Horam of Halang, Ming Mayang Raikan of Talui, Tochang Shaiza of Hunpun, A.S. Ramshang of Hunpun, Ngaranmi Hongva of Joiter, Silas Kazingmay of Lungher, L. Fureng of SHIRUI, Ngatingpam Kaping of Hunpun, A.S. Shimter of Maro, Ashok Hongre of Hunpun, Peter Ngahanyui Chipang IPS of Hunpun, Honlei Hongre of Hunpun, SK Victor of Chingchiroy CV, Aleng Shimra of Hunpun, Danny Shaiza XMLA of Hunpun, Ngazek Maray of Ngaingu, Yartotso Luikam of Hunpun, Aring Leisan of Sekor, Shangreso A Shimre of Hunpun, RS Manausa of Shangshak, RS Azum of Shangshak, Luisopang Zemig of Hunpun, Pungpa Mung of Hunpun, Kushim Wishim of Talui, Kong Sui Luitui of Langdang, Ngakai Shung Luikam of Hunpun, RS Yamei of Shangshak, RS Jihansung of Shangshak, Yermi Shimra of Hunpun, Livingstone Rukui of Hunpun, Kainan Shaiza of Hunpun, Ringpapam Siro of Hunpun, Ramyo Shingnaisui of Hunpun, Tapa Sareo of Hunpun, Laiksan Sareo of Hunpun, Chinaungam Chipang of Hunpun, Jihanpam Lunghar of Tuinem, Shotang Shaiza of Hunpun, Ngajonmi Shingnai of Hunpun, Ngairem Luikam IAS of Hunpun, lastly but not the least, Clerk Luikam of Hunpun. Here are the 51 deceased members of UDSA.
Players, team kanini we players bing na. Akashida referee color linesman bingling room da alungli line up sami kawai 2 minutes silence prayer himukuirang laka team kanini alungli referees color linesman bingli room da line sami kawai akashida nga kaulu shitale katonga yarwi sai guru itum yarwi sai guru meninga laga utsawi senior member bing mawan sadwi khai atum bingli itumwi legacy itumna phaningkung kala khyak shisada yarwi sai ko orna meninga laga 2 minute silence prayer hi silent prayer kui mi se Amen. Yarwi zai ko na pamise. Scoreboard chili yarwina. Scoreboard chili yarwina. Masaki mikawai. Chitay kami ne. Scoreboard chili yarwina. Masaki mikawai. Chitay milushitale.
Hello.
United Brothers Football Club we player list Chitay delay. United Brothers Football Club we player list Chitay delay. Jersey number 1, Varachan AS. Jersey number 2, Rangam S. Jersey number 4, Ningon Chipang. Jersey number 15, Hanser Sarah. Jersey number 18, Ninglum Shang YR. Jersey number 7, PK Ngachon Hor. Jersey number 14, P Sorormi. Jersey number 10, Thot Ngayung Hungyo. Jersey number 5, Crispin Kamson. Jersey number 11, Kangater Tungshang. Jersey number 8, Winner Hungyo. Jersey number 13, AS Yangmipam. Jersey number 20, AS Damthing. Jersey number 19, Thot Raymung. Jersey number 9, Kangampam Simic. Jersey number 6, RK Tamray Singh. Jersey number 16, R. Urehor. Jersey number 23, Soror Luitui. The manager is Ningpen Awungshi. Coach, Tangsomi Riva. Physio Pansoyo Ngalung. These are the list representing the United Brothers Football Club. Kala PHUNGYAR FC player list Chitay delay. PHUNGYAR FC player list Chitay delay. Jersey number 7, Singray. Jersey number 13, Ningrong. Jersey number 17, Temso. Jersey number 10, Tangmaiso. Jersey number 9, Benision. Jersey number 15, Leishi Singh. Jersey number 3, Churechan. Jersey number 2, Warren. Jersey number 5, Mahangam. Jersey number 6, Ngashan Chui. Jersey number 1, Ungshungmi. Jersey number 12, Warchi So. Jersey number 11, Shangam. Jersey number 8, Pame. Jersey number 4, Ain. Jersey number 22, Varechanyo. The manager is Ungramung and the coach is Pungamtan Jajo. The physio is Yalatam. These are the lists representing Football Club of PHUNGYAR, PHUNGYAR Football Club.
Hello, and a very warm welcome to every one of you tuning in. We are live from UKHRUL on this beautiful afternoon here in UKHRUL. It's sunny, but it's a little bit windy here. The stage is set and the players are on the field. It's UKHRUL United. It's United Brothers Football Club taking on PHUNGYAR FC in the opening match of the 29th edition of the SHIRUI Lily Cup. United Brothers in white and blue are attacking the southern end of the ground. Hansa, the United Brothers captain, with the ball now. Plays it back to Ningon. Ningon takes the ball forward, lays it off for Hansa, who the ball went out of play. It's a throw-in for... Oh, it was throw-in for PHUNGYAR FC. Shurijan, the young attacking left back for PHUNGYAR, to take the throw for PHUNGYAR. Thamso deftly controls the ball, passes it to Penison. Penison sprays it out wide to Mushantri Shimre, who is playing on the right slot of defense for PHUNGYAR FC. Ninglom Shang wins the ball back for United Brothers, lays it off for Soromi. Soromi Thingshun with the ball now. Soromi Thingshun for Myson. Myson for Crispin. United Brothers attacking PHUNGYAR. Myson.
United Brothers FC na PHUNGYAR FC longsan lagay ng Real Midalay Camp Spirit lay lagay na Camp Spirit lay lagay na kang Real Milo yari na ningang lagay na kang Real Hiyang dalay
Apologies for the breakup in the audio feed. We had a bit of technical issues here, but that is fixed now, and we're back live from UKHRUL. If you are tuning in right now, it's United Brothers Football Club playing against PHUNGYAR FC in the opening match of the 29th edition of the SHIRUI Lily Mid. United Brothers in white, blue, while PHUNGYAR FC are donning an all blue kit. It is 0-0 at the moment, with both teams having equal shares of the ball. PHUNGYAR FC with the second corner of the game now. It looks like both the teams have set up in a 4-3-1 formation. With me in the commentary box today is Nkwimi Aungshi. Nkwimi, how do you feel the match is going to pan out?
Being the league winner of the UKHRUL District League, which was held in the month of April, and the other team, PHUNGYAR FC, happens to be the winner of the Kamchong League. I hope both the teams will give a very good fight
Sorami with the ball inside the box, but has too much weight on that cross and it goes out for a goal kick. Yes, like you were saying, Nguimi, both the teams are district league champions. United Brothers, of course, winning the UKHRUL district football. UKHRUL
I hope this both teams will give a very good fight.
United Brothers na
Right now the ball possession is over the same like 50-50 as of now.
Now the ball is with Kangata Zhongxiang now, who lays it off beautifully for Crispin. Crispin and Chui Chan chasing Chui Chan with a deft save. Goes out for a throw in for Henser. Back to Tottenham, foul throw from Henser. Ningrong to take the throw in for PHUNGYAR. Temso. Temso Jajo. For Lishi Singh out on the right flank for Mishanchui. Mishanchui lays it off for Temso, who tries to find Stingray, and he does find Stingray, but Stingray ball for Mishanchui was a little too slow. Now with Temso. Temso lays it off for Stingray. Stingray with a dummy that was sold to Ningon, but Ningon recovers well enough to put the ball out of play. PHUNGYAR with the throw in now.
SHIRUI Lily Cup football tournament. We first match ni aring rodakle he mathala gaina ngreomi dakle team kani hi kchar sang dakle chirsi hina achondang kupsang khai UKHRUL league we UKHRUL district league we winner ne kala blue jersey sang dakle hina PHUNGYAR FC ne hina kamchong league we winner ne the aring rodakle mathala khai team kani nang rodakle ne SHIRUI Lily cup hin national football tournament ni jena achu hili Manipur state winner team matika zangra kala IR out of the state winner team khani uzangra cha Lajong FC kala New Market FC Nagaland winner uzangra kala issue local winner club matida sangdalaka sangdaklaini team Tharana issue SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 national football tournament we price 1,75,000 hinga pai ki china already team white jersey club blue jersey sang da leina mathala ki no midle hello Magada Chiko Kakshunga SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 National Level Football Tournament we match Krehe Ari White Jersey Sanda Lehi United Brothers FC he Achondang Kupsanghai District League 2021 we winner ne kala Blue Jersey Sanda Lehina PHUNGYAR FC ne hina Achondang Cham Kupsanghai Kamjong League we winner ne Ari first match Ngeodakle team kani hi league winner kani ne Magada Chiko Kakshunga SHIRUI Lily tournament hili team Tharan ang Reura team Matihina within the state array Infal winner Kazangra Kala team Matihina local team na represent Sara Chia United Brothers FC PHUNGYAR FC Pasi FC Kala Yarkok United hina local team ne aim Klasa Nako Kala Trau hina Infalen Kazangi Gichine Kala IR State Kanchok Laga Ungzangi Gichi team hina New Market FC Nagaland Kala Shillong Lajong FC hina Shillong Mekhalaya win Ungzangi Gichine team Thra hina Team Trahi na SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 1,75,000 prize winner Hui pricing paiki kichine Chain ang soda football le shlakay na razanghai yari itam psychorally saklakay na organizing committee wivakay na bill kasane chain na players pingli mathakay na spirit le ilakay na gatomi say tui zakashivaw sang laga players li bag satsang say gaji hi saklakay na organizing committee wivakay na bill kasane.
We're back in action with Myson on the ball for United Brothers. Myson still with the ball, lays it off for Ninglum Shang on the left flank. Ninglum Shang is dispossessed. Yes, Temso Jajo with the ball on the right flank for PHUNGYAR. Temso Jajo tries to put the ball into the box, but Ninglum Shang comes back to rescue and concedes a corner. It's been a very exciting start to the match. Both teams with very high attacking impetus, but PHUNGYAR FC have been the more clinical side so far. No goal scored, of course, but they have won more corners and they have had more touches in the opposition box so far, while United Brothers are looking to counter PHUNGYAR on the break. Now Crispin on the ball for United Brothers, lays it off to Myson. Myson plays it back to winner Rangwam on the ball now. Tries a long diagonal, but it's a flat pass. Ningon tries to rescue his centre-back partner, but the condition of the ground is such that the ball just bobbled at the wrong timing for Ningon, who concedes throw-in.
Okay, back to the match once again. I would like to ask my friend, what will your prediction for this game?
I think it's going to be very hard to call a game at the moment. I believe PHUNGYAR have been the more attacking side, more clinical side so far, like I mentioned before. But I think United Brothers have the experience to hurt PHUNGYAR FC on the counter. So if The opening match of the 29th edition of SHIRUI Lily Cup. It is PHUNGYAR FC taking on United Brothers FC here in the opening match, and United Brothers lead this game with the goal scored by Kangta Tungshang now. The score right now is 1-0 for United Brothers. PHUNGYAR FC have been the better side so far in this game, but United Brothers much more clinical when it came to what matters most. So they found themselves ahead with a beautiful goal by Kangta Tungshang. Now Stingray for United Brothers, but it's cleared by Ning Lumshang, who finds Kangta Tungshang now, the goal scorer. Loses it out to Lei Sing to Benison. Mahangam with the ball now. Sang Wei-so lays it off for Ngashan Chui tries to put the ball into the box but wins the corner.
The SHIRUI Lily Cup is one of the second oldest football tournament in Manipur State, next to Sisimet. This year, the 29th SHIRUI Lily 2021 national level football tournament is there are 10 clubs who is participating, 4 from the local and 4 from Imphal and 2 from outside the state. These 10 clubs will, the champion will go home richer with a cash award of rupees 1,75,000, and runner-up will be richer with a cash award of rupees 1,25,000. Both the teams are playing very well, but United Brother FC, with the better experience of the ground, have scored a call few minutes back. PHUNGYAR FC is also giving a good fight. The pole position as of now is 55 to United Brothers and 45 to PHUNGYAR FC. What was your prediction before the match, Wong Jan?
I predicted that while PHUNGYAR FC have been have had more control of the game so far, more possession of the game so far, the speed in which United Brothers can counter could hurt PHUNGYAR FC. That was a chance that went begging Crispin with the shot that just bobbled up right at the time he was taking the shot, and it balloons over the crossbar and it's gone out for a goal kick. Yeah, like I was talking before, I feel like even though PHUNGYAR have much control of the game, like we've seen so far, the attacking prowess, the clinical, the ruthlessness that United Brothers and the strikers of United Brothers possess might be the key that unlocks the resilience of PHUNGYAR FC. It has. We've seen that unlock once, and I believe the experience of United Brothers will come into play when we see the final scoreline after 90 minutes. So I'm going for United Brothers win.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Song Jonhor wins another free kick on the left flank for United Brothers. It's Kangatar and Jonhor who are on the ball. Kangatar, if he takes this, will put in an in-swinging cross, while Jonhor, if he takes this, it will be an out-swinger. In-swinging or out-swinging, that is the question. Kangatar takes the kick. Sorum is there in the middle, but Benison clears. Now it's with Temso, who tries to clear his line but could only find Jonhor of United Brothers. Myson with the ball now. Myson puts the ball in the box. Jonhor takes a deflection of Benison. It's gone out for a corner. Wow, that deflection could have gone anywhere. But to the joy of Pungyar FC has gone out for a corner kick. Now Myson to take the corner kick for United Brothers. Myson's in swinging corner is a high one, but the referee sees an infringement into the box. Sorami Tingshung with a push on one of the Pungyar FC defenders and has given a foul against United Brothers. Mahingam, the skipper of United Brothers, to take
Reo
the
Daklay, SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 week.
Shantri, Tangmiso, back to Shantri. Benison loses the ball. Here's winner Jajo. Kangatar Tungshang now tries to find Sorami, but it's cut out by Mahingam, who tries to launch a quick counter attack, only to be cut off by Henser Sara, the captain of the opposition team. Henser on the ball now. Henser to winner out for Crispin. Crispin tries to put the ball into the box. There were 3 men waiting inside the box, but he couldn't find the right contact to find 3 white shirts inside the box. Stingray chests the ball down for Temso, whose touch or whose control was a little too much. Plays the ball back instead to Varichan, the goalkeeper of United Brothers, who's had little to do so far. Winner Myson out for Kangatar. Kangatar, threads a beautiful ball through for Ngjonho. Ngjonho twists and turns inside the box, tries to put it on the platter. Crispin on the far end, couldn't convert. That was a beautiful ball on the far post for Crispin, but Crispin, who was stretching, couldn't get the right contact to find the touch that would have given United Brothers a 2-goal lead cushion. Pungyar FC hanging on here after the quick start, after the assured start from Pungyar FC, having conceded that goal from Kangatar. Pungyar FC have slowed down a little bit. They are trying to come out of the traps, but the high intensity pressing from United Brothers has been a huge problem for Pungyar FC. Change imminent for Pungyar FC with jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, Shangam Mahung, looking to come on. He will be coming on in the next break of play. It looks like it's gonna be jersey number 10, Tang Miso, who is going to make way for Shangam. Ningon. Here's Stingray. Stingray tries to cross the ball into the box, but it's cut off by Ninglum Shang. Kangatar on the ball now. Crispin has had a solid game so far, but missed that chance at the foul post just a few minutes ago. Back to Ningon Chipang, who is one of the most established Tangkul defenders at the moment. His strike partner Ramgam, also another impressive centre back who has played at various clubs in various levels so far. Cherry Chan for Pungyar, one of the youngest players in this tournament so far, playing as left back for Pungyar. Churi Singh with a beautiful ball for Temso, who couldn't quite find the touch to control and loses the ball. Kangatar. Kangatar assessing his options. Henser, Crispin. Crispin looks for Sorami, finds him. the foot was a tad too high from Sormi, but he goes off the hook from the referee's books. Leishi Singh on the ball now for PHUNGYAR. Mahingam loses the ball inside the box. Here's Kangata! Oh! The chances go begging. Sormi found Kangata with a ball that was laid on the platter for Kangata. He only had to finish, but his shot was saved by the keeper, and it's gone out for a corner kick. Change now for oh no, it's gone out for a goal kick. Change now for PHUNGYAR FC, with Shanga Mahung coming in for Chang Maiso.
Jersey number 20, AS Dumpling. Jersey number 19. SHIRUI manager Ningpan Aungshi, coach Tangsomi. SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 with current match player listing.
Majonhor on the ball now. Majonhor, one of the trickiest players you can ever come up against if you are a wide defender. Henser on the ball now. Finds Myson, what a deft that was. Crispin finds Kangata. The ball bounce was a little bit too much for both Kangata and Sormi, and PHUNGYAR finds a way to clear. Stingray on the ball now. Stingray threads the ball through for the winger who has just come on, Shanga Mahung, but the weight of the ball was a little bit too much for the winger. Kangata outside the box. Kangata takes the shot on. It's gone out for a goal kick. Couldn't find the bend that he was looking for. It was set up beautiful for the shot on his left foot, but he couldn't find the curl that he was looking for. Chui Chan now. Temso. Benison, Chirichan with a parallel pole that could only find Majonhor. Here's winner to Majonhor. Majonhor seeing a lot of the pole at the moment. Winner as well. Winner tries to orchestrate a beautiful ball. Is Sormi. Will he get the ball? No. Couldn't find the right purchase on his control, and the condition of the pitch was such that the ball bobbles and it's gone out for a goal kick. Mahingam. Ninglum Chang with the interception. Mahingam on the ball again. The skipper for PHUNGYAR FC finds Benison. A throw in for PHUNGYAR FC. After the flurry of attacking chances that PHUNGYAR had in the first 15 minutes of the game, it's been a very composed and a very mature performance from United Brothers so far, who have come back from a poor 15 minutes to lead the game with 1-0, and they are the team that is controlling the match at the moment. PHUNGYAR, of course, with a good share of possession, but they haven't been able to make any use of their possession so far. Most of the possession for PHUNGYAR FC have come in the midfield third, not in the final third of United Brothers, while United Brothers have been threateningly menacing inside the final third of PHUNGYAR FC. Leishi Singh with the ball inside. That's a beautiful ball. Oh, Benison was there at the far post, but Farai catches the ball before it could reach him. Yes, Sorami lays it off for Crispin to Winner. Winner finds his midfield partner Myson felt that there was a shove at his back that made him lose his footing, and so mispassed that ball, but the referee sees play on. Ramgam with the clearance for United Brothers. Now Kongatar with the ball. Crispin on the ball again. Crispin tries to take on 3 players, finds Winner and row. Kongatar, oh, maybe the weight of the ball was so much for him.
Association na mukok mi laga rakang reo ne achiwi hili outside Manipur kanchok the way na team kani rami dale Meghalaya way na Shillong Lajong FC, Nagaland way na New Market FC, Imphal team way na Trau FC, Klasa FC, Nago kala AIM Krewe edition 2011 we SHIRUI LILY CUP li AIM na kokwine kala local team UKHRUL hiwe na team matina participate sami dale district league we champion district league 2021 UKHRUL district league 2021 we champion United Brothers FC kala runners up Pasi FC kanina represent sa kamine kala Kamjong district PHUNGYAR FC na represent sa kamine kala Kanawale Manipur State League li represent sa daklay UKHRUL wena Yarkok United FC hina represent sami dalay Yarkok United FC hi UKHRUL we UKHRUL alumni UKHRUL na the only club Manipur State League li ngreu dak leni
Ningrong on the ball. 1-1 against Hensesara. Here's Pedersen! Ninglum Shang clears the ball off the line. Wow, that was a golden chance for PHUNGYAR FC to equalize, but Pedersen at that moment could not find the touch for Echan with an excellent save, and Ninglum Shang following up that save with that clearance from the goal line, and the score line remains 1-0 for United Brothers. Sorami Mahingham with a beautifully lofted pass for Stingray. It has been such a menace on the right flank for United Brothers. Rangwam just about manages to deal with the threat, and it's gone out for a corner kick, which will be taken by Shangam Mahung, the player that came in for Tangmiso in this first half. Tangmiso with the ball, short corner, too short. There's a bit of a melee there inside the box. Now Temso with a shot, but cruises over the crossbar. I've shared my 2 cents on how the match will go. Now I ask my co-commentator Ngui Miaongshi on how he believes this match will be come 90 minutes.
My prediction before the game start was that PHUNGYAR also being the league winner, and United Brothers also being the league winner of. So my prediction was that this United Brothers FC being a local team and better experience with the crown, my prediction was 2-0. But right now, PHUNGYAR FC is also giving a very good fight. So the match is unpredictable right now.
It's been a bit of a helter-skelter first half so far, hasn't it? Been like the first 10 to 15 minutes was all PHUNGYAR FC. Then United Brothers came in and then scored the goal that took the win out of the sails of PHUNGYAR FC for a little bit. But now PHUNGYAR FC are back into the game again, and it's a very, very hard match to call. I believe it's going to be a match that is going to be decided on fine margins, just like the goal line clearance there from Ninglum Shang earlier, just a few minutes back. So PHUNGYAR FC, they have also been very much attacking, very much dominant, but we will see how the games bounce out.
Right now, the problem with the PHUNGYAR team as of now is they're holding the ball in the middle of the ground, but the attacking side, they are lacking in the attacking side. So if in the coming second half, if PHUNGYAR FC try to improvise their strategy and be more attacking, I think PHUNGYAR FC has a chance to equalize the game also. Right now, PHUNGYAR FC is giving a very good fight, and the pole possession also PHUNGYAR is getting better with the pole possession also. But right now the problem is the striking rate. The striking rate is a problem. So I hope the PHUNGYAR FC managers might change the strategy and be more focused on the striking side also. If they could change the game in that manner, PHUNGYAR FC has a better chance.
Very much indeed, very expert analysis there from my co-commentator. I believe PHUNGYAR FC have been trying to play too many long balls into the box, where United Brothers have the likes of Ningon and Rangwam who are excellent on the ball. Now Crispin finds Gijono on the far post. Oh, gets the bounce, and it just bounces over the crossbar.
And the problem with the PHUNGYAR FC is if they concede another goal, in this first half, I think they will have the chance of winning this game. It will be very less. So they have to maintain the call rate also, because they can't take the chance to concede another call. And United Brothers FC, if they can score a call, one more call in this first half, then I think the game will definitely go to the United Brothers.
United Brothers. Of course, we have 2 minutes of added time, I believe, at the end of first half, and we will see if PHUNGYAR FC go into the half with a 1-goal deficit or a 2-goal deficit, or it might even be parity when
I wish
at the end of the 2 minutes.
in the next second half, if PHUNGYAR can equalize in the first 10 minutes, the game will be a very competitive and it will be a very unpredictable game. So I hope the PHUNGYAR FC managers will change the strategy and change the formation and be more focused on that attacking side. Yeah.
Pennison with the ball now. It's a bit of a stray pass. Still finds Shanga Mahong, but
the match that is being played right now is the first pre-quarter of the SHIRUI Lily Cup, and the winner of this match will play against a very experienced and very well-known team, that will be Shillong Lachong FC.
That's gonna be a mouth-watering match indeed. Ningrong on the ball for PHUNGYAR FC. Ningrong sells the dummy to Ningon. Ningrong finds Mishanchui on the right flank. Mishanchui with cross. It's a bit of a weak cross. That is half time, and United Brothers FC come into the dressing room with a 1-goal lead over PHUNGYAR FC. Of course, it was Kangata Zhongxiang now, the experienced striker from Langtang, the United Brothers strikers who found the back of the net. United Brothers could have been well ahead in the first half, should have scored 2-3 more goals. PHUNGYAR FC as well had that chance, Pennison had that chance, but as of now it stands United Brothers FC 1, PHUNGYAR FC 0.
Pasi FC, UKHRUL District League we runners-up. Kabutumani, PHUNGYAR FC, Kamadeli, Yarkok United FC. Yarkok United FC he Manipur State League li UKHRUL win team himang na represent Sadak Lene. Opening ceremony li Queer Sarimia Headman Hunpun Village Authority Maragapai Vivangaina Shimzingo Ayo Shimzingo and Hunpun Village Authority with Mutunsada Utsa with Shongena Pangran Grand Migai Rakwim Runo Ayo Shimzingo Ishiwi Kashipai President Utsawi President. Thank you.
you see, I see. I know I'll never be without the security of your loving arms, keeping me from harm. Put my hand in my hand and we'll stay. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall. Let the sky fall. We'll stand tall. Let the sky Thank you. Hello, Chick.
Thank you, thank you. Are we second half here? Book voice out, Are we rematch second half? How Are we score? United Brothers 1, PHUNGYAR FC 0.
A very warm welcome back to the second half of the opening match between United Brothers and PHUNGYAR FC. If you are tuning in just now, it's United Brothers 1, PHUNGYAR FC 0.
TTE News channel hina achiwi kongreu hili achiwi YouTube channel li live final jithai midalai GRI psychorally jithai khangai ne kala achiwi channel hili subscribe sami khwai kagatom sa da phaniung saklu shitalai achiwi news channel hi thangachi da pung shini makhai ngathor gada tamli achiwi news si telecast sami dalai Project Paint na UKHRUL na initiative kuimi laga itum na yengung yangwa kha ground alungli leida khlai phaklang psychorahili ashina initiative kuimi laga colorful salakaya artistic salakaya machu horla kaina paint sami ser khai ashina sakami ne kichi yarili acknowledge sami khangai ne
So no changes for United Brothers, but PHUNGYAR FC have made a change of personnel on the right flank of defense. Mushanchui has come off with Ton Mung Tan coming in for Mushanchui on the right side of defense. Do you think the manager of the head coach of PHUNGYAR FC have been listening to you, and how much do you think the change at right back is going to influence this game? We've seen in the first half that John Hoare, the left winger of United Brothers, was a constant thorn in the right flank of PHUNGYAR FC. Do you think the change in personnel will change the game?
Yeah, so coming back to my personal opinion in the first half, I think the PHUNGYAR FC have taken the they have changed the strategy. So in the first minute of the second half, they have given a one attack, which happens to, it doesn't go to the call, but they have given a very nice attack. So if they continue with this same momentum of the speed, and if they can score a call in the first opening 10 minutes, they will give a very good fight. So right now, as I've told you, PHUNGYAR is trying to give more on the is more on the attacking side. So let's hope on that Phungyar score a goal in the first 10 minutes of the second half.
Do you think this is a positive change from?
They were in the driver's seat in the first.
Substitution for United Brothers. It is Kangatar Tungshang now, the goal scorer of the game, who has come off, and coming on for him is Tamting. It is very much a defensive change because Tamting is a defensive midfielder. Do you think this is a positive change or a negative change from United
In my
Brothers?
opinion, they were in the driver's seat, and defending for 45 minutes will be a tough strategy in my opinion. So I should say they should have played the same formation and try to score one more goal, and after that if they score 2-0 then they can be they can play a defensive game. But as of now it's a very crucial game, so I was thinking if it will be much better if United Brothers play the same strategy that they have played in the first half, because of first half also they have played very well. So defending for 45 minutes is not
it's going to be a tough task. But I think
mm.
I think my analysis of the substitution was wrong, because United Brothers started off with a 4-2-3-1. It looks like they've reverted back to a 4-3-3, and instead of Tamting coming in as the defensive midfielder, he has come on as the third midfielder, with Sorami now the only striker. And I think it is more of a 4-3-3 formation rather than a defensive formation that I was thinking of.
So in this first 5 minutes of the opening of the second half, Phungyar is more on the attacking side. Yeah, so they're attacking, and if it continues like this, they might score a goal, and that will be a very bad blow for the United Brothers FC. Yeah, number 11 is on a strike again, so that's what I've been telling you.
Oh, tries to gives the goalkeeper the eye. Looked as if he was going for the far post, but he went for the near post, and it's just.
So this is what I've been telling you, my friend, that United Brothers FC, if they play too deep, it will be a problem for them, because right now they're leading the match with a score of only 1. So they can't. If they could have scored another goal and lead the game with a 2-0, then they can play deeper and a more defensive game. As of now, if they started to play more defensive, then they are inviting trouble for them.
Indeed, this game is set up. It's going to be a scintillating end. It has been a great, exciting game, and hopefully we'll have more of that in the remaining time of the second half. Benison on the ball now for Phungyar FC.
See, in this first, as I've told you in the first half, before the end of the first half, if the Phungyar FC managed to change the strategy, but I think I think what I was thinking and what the manager was thinking was, I think it was on the same track that the Phungyar FC managers have changed the strategy and he is playing more into this attacking side. So in this particular starting 10 minutes, Phungyar is more on the attacking side, and United Brothers is held back in their.
Indeed.
Yeah.
I believe this is a game that can go both ways at the moment. If in the next 5 or 10 minutes there is a goal, if the goal is for Phungyar, I believe the game will be thrown wide open. If the goal is for United Brothers, I believe that will be the end of the game. Yeah. Hopefully it will be a goal for Phungyar.
Yeah.
For neutral sake, I'm not taking any sides here. For the sake of entertainment, hopefully we'll see a goal, and hopefully we will have a scintillating end to the match.
If we can see a call in this first opening 10-15 minutes from the PHUNGYAR side, this will be a very competitive and very deciding
Stingray
factor. Yeah.
with the ball in
See,
the box for a chance. Oh. Sorry for interrupting. Yes. Winner now. Now Crispin on the ball for United Brothers. Crispin takes on one defender, tries to take on another, plays the parallel ball for John Ho, but Samung Tan takes it off. Benison now, through on goal. Benison! Will he finish? Will he find a touch? Brought down inside the box. PHUNGYAR FC are looking for a penalty, but it's not a penalty. Benison with the second chance that he's fluffed. Benison is down hurt.
I think that PHUNGYAR FC with Mr. Penison would have taken 2 seconds ahead of the. He could have struck. If he would have taken a shot, the score would have been 1-1. So the match would be more competitive.
He's down on the ground, but hopefully.
As for me, in my call, it wouldn't be a penalty because the referee has taken a very good decision on that particular incident. If Benison could have taken this shot just a few seconds, just a few steps before that particular incident, we can see. I hope that we could have seen a call.
I believe that is what is separating the two teams at the moment. United Brothers are much more clinical in the final third, like we've discussed earlier. And I believe that was an example of how PHUNGYAR FC, in spite of all their possession, in spite of all the good work they've done so far, they've undone it themselves. Now Stingray on the ball. Stingray taking on two defenders, Ning with an extremely important block.
If United Brothers continues to play like this, if they continue to play the same game as of now in this particular thing, I think they will surely consider call at this rate. And if they consider call, PHUNGYAR will come much more stronger, and that will be a big blow for the United Brothers FC.
But of course, for the fans, it's going to be great entertainment. Lei Singh wins a foul. It's a yellow card for Winner, so Winner becomes the first player to go into the books. The
first players of the first player to get a card for this 29th SHIRUI Lily Cup tournament.
Change imminent for United Brothers. It's Rock coming on for Ninglum Shang. Ninglum Shang, who has had a solid game so far, playing at left back. He cleared one goal off the line that kept United in the lead going into half time. Comes off. Rock now coming on.
I think now it's very imminent for this United Brothers FC. If they continue to play on like this for late game like this, I think they will surely consider a goal, and that will be a heartbroken moment for the United Brothers FC. So I think that the managers, United Brothers FC managers, have to change the strategy and play the game as they were playing in the first opening first half.
Sorry.
The condition of the ground is giving a hard time for the players because the hard time bounce of the game, and this is a very hard ground. So the ball there, it's very fast. If it happens to be a draft ground, I think the match will be more more
competitive, as well as the speed would have been a little bit different.
So right now the speed is a factor in this particular ground. So the eastern side of the ground, the ball is very fast and the momentum is very fast. So United Brothers has to slow down the game.
They have to let their experience come in this kind of situation where they have to learn how to control the tempo of the game. PHUNGYAR FC right now are running riot with possession, and United Brothers have to come up with a way to calm things down. They have good personals in midfield there. They have something. They have Winner. They have Myson. All three of them excellent players, good on the ball, very comfortable in possession. Looks like we're seeing another change for PHUNGYAR FC. It's Pamay Vishum who is going to come on. Pamay Vishum and Benison is the player coming off for PHUNGYAR FC. What do you think of this change? A very experienced player coming off, and a very young player coming on. Do you think fitness will come into play?
Because fitness matters the most when it comes to football. Because the duration of the match is also 45 minutes. So fitness is very important in this particular match. And PHUNGYAR FC is trying their level best to score a goal in this match. So they are playing a very fast game as of now. So
they need fast players.
At this moment, United Pradesh FC have to slow down the match. Experienced players have to slow down the match and slow down the momentum so that they could
write this storm out. Yes, indeed. Myson on the ball now, concedes throw in. You can see the frustration there from Myson. Soromin now a very, very solitary figure in the final third for United Brothers. I believe, like you've said, PHUNGYAR FC have upped their game in the second half, and they are sending on young players, fresh legs who can take on players. And if we can see a goal in the next 5 minutes, like we've discussed so many times, it's going to be very, very much interesting. Something with a shot that goes out wide.
So being a neutral person for this particular match, I wish and I hope that PHUNGYAR FC will score a goal, and so that the match will be more competitive and more interesting to watch.
Hopefully we'll see a goal soon. Semso Chajo for Leishi Singh. Leishi Singh goes past two players. Leishi Singh still holding the ball, concedes, wins a free kick off Tamting. Temso to Churi Singh. Churi Chan with a beautiful drive, lung busting run down the left flank. Churi Chan finds Ningrong. Ningrong back to Temso. PHUNGYAR FC very patient in the build-up. Oh, that's a collision of the heads. Hopefully everyone is fine. Stingray going up for the ball with Ningon. Ningon is down on the floor. Looks like he is injured. Hopefully it's nothing serious. Well, by the looks of it, he's down hurt.
That was a 50-50 head clash.
Hefty collision. I believe we also have a concussion substitution like they do in the European leagues at the moment. So if Ningon was to go out, the substitution will not be counted among the 3 stoppage of time that is usually there when you make a substitution. But hopefully Ningon is fine. Looks like he's limping a little bit.
Not badly injured, but being the experienced player,
yeah,
he's more into this thing.
Hopefully it's a time-wasting tactic rather than an injury. Yes.
Because being an experienced, well-experienced players in this particular district.
Yes.
Hopefully he'll be well in the next few minutes.
Hopefully, but that might not be the case because Tamri Singh is looking like he is going to come on. That means Ningon might be coming off. Henser with an acrobatic clearance only finds Temso. Temso on the ball now. It's wrong. Offside. So Tamri Singh has come on for
As
Ningon.
we discussed earlier, Ningon. It doesn't happen to be a time-wasting tactic. It happens just he is injured.
Indeed. Hopefully he'll be fit
This is a big blow for, I guess this is a big blow for United Brothers
United
FC
Brothers,
because
of course,
well
the experience
experienced
he
defender.
has is,
Yeah.
is
Being injured is
unmatched.
a big blow for the United Brothers FC.
Indeed, but Tanmay Singh is also a very good player, very young. He has the experience. Hopefully, he'll be able to fill.
But when it comes
the
to
shoes.
defending in the, when it comes
Pressure
to defending,
situation, indeed.
yeah, this experience matters a lot.
Exactly.
Yeah. So as I've told you, now the match is going for PHUNGYAR FC because PHUNGYAR FC is giving a very good attack. They have been attacking in the first opening 10 minutes. They have given 2-3 shots, but they were unlucky that they can't score a goal. So United Brothers FC have to slow down the match, or continue playing like the way they were playing in the first half. They have to be on. They have to strike back. If they are into the playing tip down in the defense line, they are inviting trouble for them.
Shangam with the ball now. Shangam runs into too many defenders, tries to take on 1 too many defenders, and Ramgam clears Thotmung Singh. Here's Leishi Singh. Leishi Singh for Thotmung Tan. Thotmung Tan runs on the byline, but Crispin concedes a corner. Thotmung Tan to take the corner for PHUNGYAR
This
FC.
is a golden opportunity for PHUNGYAR.
Leishi Singh
Right, yeah.
tries to get a little bit of a flick on the corner from Thotmung Tan, but the touch was too deft for the ball to find the back of the net. It goes out begging. That should have been 1-1.
I think this local team will have a big problem when it comes to the size of the size of the body. When it comes to playing with the other district, this will be a disadvantage for the local players. You can see because the size of the players is under 5.2 or 5.4 like that. So mostly that was the
Indeed.
problem for them in that particular corner.
But hopefully the wildness and the cleverness of the players will make up for the shortness in stature. Ramgam with the ball for United Brothers. Looking for Soromi. Soromi gets his head to it. Oh, there's a bit of a reckless clearance from the goalkeeper, but goes out. It's good. Now Stingray on the counter for PHUNGYAR FC. Stingray still probing. Stingray back to Shangam. Shangam to Leishi Singh. Leishi Singh with the ball. Leishi Singh, Crispin with the clearance. Thotmung Tan looking for players inside the box. No players. Maisen with the clearance. Now something on the counter for United Brothers. Finds Soromi and Warren on a foot race. The keeper just gets enough touch to take the ball out of the part of Soromi. Mahingam now on the ball to Temso Chajo. Temso has Rock on his back. Temso is able to shake off the United Brothers player, and it's Churi Chan who finds Ningrong, but Tamri Singh, the defender, has just come on for Ningon, shepherds it out for
I
a
think
goal
we're
kick.
in the middle of the second
Second
half.
half.
The duration must be 20 minutes. Might have been played, but if PHUNGYAR FC can't score in this 5-10 minutes, it will be a big blow for the PHUNGYAR FC.
We discussed at the start of the second half that United Brothers should not be looking to go with a defensive formation, but now that the time is running out, do you think it is time for United Brothers to shore up the defense and go for a defensive setup? Do you think it is time? Do you think there's enough time for them now to defend their lead?
I think they should play the same formation as of now because we are just in the middle of the game. So when it comes to like 30-35 minutes and then 15 minutes, so we can be on the defensive side.
Soromi with a flick on that Tamthing's corner, but it goes out wide of the far post.
Because if PHUNGYAR FC scores and if United Brothers concede, coming back to the game will be a big
ask.
Yes, big task, and they might go
Tamthing.
Yeah.
Takes a shot. Oh, lifts it too high. Gets so much purchase on that ball. And it
If
balloons
something
over the crossbar.
scores at that particular moment, that might be the end of the game, because Phungyar FC will have a hard time coming back.
PHUNGYAR FC making the last substitution of the game. Leishi Singh with the ball for Shangam Mahung on the right flank. Shangam with a beautiful ball into the box. Pamay Washum swung his leg, but the ball was cleared just in front of him by Maisen. Now for Churichan, who has been an excellent player for PHUNGYAR FC so far. He has been one of the brightest performers in the match so far.
United Pradesh is trying to make another change.
Shangam! Oh, the chances go begging again. Wow.
Very hard luck for the PHUNGYAR FC. PHUNGYAR FC have been giving their level best. They've been striking, but I think today luck doesn't favor on the PHUNGYAR side today. At this attacking rate, they could have scored a goal.
Or you saw the player who has just come on with a cross, collected easily by Varichan, the goalkeeper for United Brothers. If you missed it, PHUNGYAR FC have made another change, and it's Shangam who has come off and Wochiso who has come on the right flank, right wing position. Tamthing finds Ngjonhor on the left flank. Ngjonhor tries to take on Wochiso plays it back to Tottenham Tan, who could only find Crispin to Tamthing. Now to Ngjonhor back to Crispin looks for Rock. Oh, that's a beautiful layoff from Rock. Sadly, Soromui could not take it in his stride. Crispin Maisen, who has had a terrific game so far. Crispin looking for Soromi with a header, but could only find Mahangam, the skipper for PHUNGYAR FC, who has also had an excellent game in the middle of defense. Pamay Mahangam out for Warren. A little bit of a miscommunication there, gives away a needless throw in. Crispin to take the throw in for United Brothers. Pawai concedes another throw in. United Brothers seeing more of the ball now, and they will want to keep the ball in the opposition's half as much as they can. They have to get control of this game in order to see the game out if they are to win with the score that they have at the moment. Winner with a beautiful take down the left flank, puts the ball into the box, but it's cleared by Temso Jajo, and now it's Leishi Singh for PHUNGYAR on the counter. Wojiso cleared off by Ngjonhor. Ngjonhor is looking for a foul, but the referee says no. Leishi Singh now back to Pamay to Delegates. Now Soromi to Ngjonhor. Ngjonhor tries to look for the run of Sarami, but Warren clears. Pamai now finds Lishi Singh. Here's winner for Sarami. Sarami looks for Dumpling, finds him. Dumpling tries a cheeky 1-2 with Sarami, but there's too much weight on the pass from Dumpling. Cannot find Sarami. Maisen Tadmungtan gives away a needless free kick. Ramwam Shingshaf to take the free kick for United Brothers in their own half, but they're looking to go long. They have Rock, Dumpling and Sarami in the box. Looks for Rock. It's gone out for a corner kick off Churi Chan. It's going to be another corner for United Brothers. Don't you think United Brothers will be loving this spell of play, because they are getting the ball inside the final third of PHUNGYAR FC. Even if they don't score, if they can give the ball inside the PHUNGYAR FC half, they might be able to see off this game. They should do their best. What do you think?
Yeah, as we have discussed earlier, this is how the United Brothers have to play as of now, because they have to be also on the attacking side, and at the same time they have to try to defend.
Something within swinging corner.
If they can give this ball in the half of the yet another corner. Yeah.
Very tricky shot there.
Yeah.
It's another corner for United Brothers. Dumpling to take the corner again. Dumpling has.
If United Brothers can score at this particular moment, if they can score goal in this particular moment, then the game belongs to United Brothers FC.
Like he's saying, clears the ball for United Brothers. Stamri Singh to Maisen to Dumpling. Tamri Singh. Mayam clears.
I think the PHUNGYAR FC players are tiring down because fitness matters the most. So I think in this particular 5 minutes, the PHUNGYAR FC have gone down tremendously.
And they have made, I believe,
and taking out Mr. Benison, four substitution, and
so far.
I think the taking out Benison was also a mistake for the PHUNGYAR FC, because a well-experienced striker is very much required in
takes
this.
A shot. Oh, the keeper spills it. Sarami is there. Sarami, can he find it back?
Yeah.
Oh, the keeper recovers for his mistake. Spills it again. What drama that was! Chirichan now taking the ball away from the goal mouth. Wow, the keeper got away with that. That was such a let-off for PHUNGYAR FC. A good shot from Dumpling. The keeper spilled it. Sarami tried to score on the follow-up. The keeper spilled it again, but Chirichan to the rescue for PHUNGYAR FC. Chirichan, the young left back, has been one of the best players in this game so far, don't you think?
I totally agree with you, and I think one of the PHUNGYAR FC players injured. This is not the right time for the PHUNGYAR FC. If
it is Chirichan who is injured, one of the player that we're talking about, he has been one of the brightest players in the PHUNGYAR FC team so far. It will be a shame to lose him at this stage of the match, but hopefully he's back up on his feet, and let's hope he'll be able to continue.
I think Seeing the way they play, both the teams, I think they'll have a very hard time with the Lajong FC, because right now, to be very honest, the fitness and the way they are playing as of now is they'll have a very hard time with the
Facing Lajong, of course.
Lajong FC will,
they're one of the best clubs in the Northeast. Their developmental side, the academy has been producing not world class, but some superstars over the years so far. So many have gone on to play in the I-League and the ISL as well. And the young crop of players that are coming back here, the under-18 boys have also won the Shillong Premier League multiple times, and also a lot of other local tournaments. So they will have a fight in their hands with both the teams, but like you said, I believe the fitness levels and also the understanding, basic understanding, as well as the way in which the players have been drilled, Shillong Lajong might have an upper hand. But we never know in football, we never know. As winner on the ball, plays it back to Crispin. Crispin was started interesting. Crispin started on the right wing. Now he is playing left back. Number 5, jersey number 5. Tamri Singh. And it looks like there's also been a change in position for Henser and Tamri Singh. Tamri Singh, who just came on for Ningon, is now playing right wing, right back, while Henser Sarah, who started the game at right back, is now partnering with Ramgam at centre back. Finds something on the ball with his left foot. Can whip a beautiful cross in. Something, Rocky, takes the touch off Mahangam,
that will have
and it's gone out for a corner.
That will have been a moment for the United Brothers FC, because if they could have scored that particular moment, the game belongs to them. This, I think, PHUNGYAR FC won't be able to fight back.
But it's still the corner. They can still score, and PHUNGYAR also have
so
the time.
PHUNGYAR has to try the level best not to concede another call, because if they concede another call, the game belongs to United Brothers FC.
It's a corner from Muchonhor.
That's a very good corner.
There's a lot of players inside the box. It's gone out for a goal kick. The last touch coming off Rock. It's been a good game so far, hasn't it been? We've enjoyed this one.
Yeah, it's been a very good game and a very competitive game. I was hoping that in the first opening second half of the match, the 10-15 minutes, I was thinking that PHUNGYAR will definitely score a goal. But looking at the way they have been playing right now, I think they're having a tough time and they will have a hard time. And taking out a well-experienced player in the first 10 minutes, I think that was a big blow for the PHUNGYAR FC.
I think he went down injured, with the chance that he missed. Maybe it was because of the injury that he went out. But Chuchure Chan with a beautiful ball for Ning Rong, who cannot get to the ball. The weight on the ball was a little too much.
If Benison was will be here, I think the game will the match will be different, because Benison will hold the ball and distribute the ball much better. Right now, I think PHUNGYAR FC, I don't know what strategy they are playing now, because in this particular 5-10 minutes, I can't see any attacking. I can't see any understanding between the players also.
Rock to Muchonhor. Sorami cannot find the touch. Now with Mahangam, Chure Chan out for Temso. Temso back to Chure Chan. Chure Chan tries to take on something, lays it back to Mahangam. Mahangam to his centre back partner Warren. As you've mentioned before, there's a bit of there's a bit of a miscommunication between the defenders and the forwards of PHUNGYAR FC, and there is no proper midfielder to link up play. There's no proper midfield pivot to connect their defense with the attack, and I think that is the problem with PHUNGYAR FC so far. Singray with a beautiful ball for Totmungtan. Totmungtan on the back of Crispin. Crispin plays it back to Varechan, and Varechan, taking no chances, kicks it out for a throw-in. Totmungtan takes the ball, lays it off to Totmungtan with a cross that is too near to the keeper. Varechan collects it comfortably. For a keeper of his experience,
Being
that was not going to
a
trouble
very
him at all.
experienced goalkeeper, Varechan is on a very comfort zone as of now.
Yes. Totmungtan on the ball again. For
I
Vorchiso.
think this might be the
Vorchiso.
last
Vorchiso with a beautiful run down the byline, lays it back to Totmungtan. Totmungtan with a deft cross in. Ningrong is there. Stingray is there, cannot find him. Pamay twists and turns, but it's a little too heavy, his touch, and Dumpling clears. John Ho, on the other hand, is down on the floor injured, and the referee has called for stoppage in play. It looks like the fitness levels of the players are hampering the performances so far. It looks like cramps are kicking in, and we have at least 5 to 10 minutes to go.
So this has been this was the discussion that we've been going on in the second half, that fitness matters. Fitness plays a very important in football, and looking at the way the players are playing, the fitness level is going down, and you can see the way the ball they are playing. They are going very slow. In the first opening 10-15 minutes, Phungyar FC was also trying the level best to attack, but at the way they were
The game
playing
has slowed down a little bit,
slow down,
and due to the
and,
fitness levels, the mistakes have started creeping in. Yes, the tightness of the game is gone. It's a little bit helter-skelter at the moment, like no one really knowing where the ball will end up, and everyone looking for free run. That's it. Mahingam to Pamay. Pamay plays it out for Churichan. Churichan lays it back to Ningrong, who plays it to Pamay. Now Churichan on the ball. Apart from being very defensively sound, Churichan has also been the creative outlet for Phungyar FC so far. Temso with the ball, Stingray, and Ramgam concedes a corner. This corner will be pivotal for Phungyar as well as United Brothers. Phungyar have to score from this corner, and United Brothers have to defend this corner if they are to win this game. Temso Jajo to take the corner for Phungyar FC. Apologies for the miss. Ooh,
Phungyar gets another corner.
That,
still have a chance to score.
That could easily have been an own goal. It could have ended up in the back of the net for United Brothers. That was a close shave. A little bit of time wasting from United Brothers. Nevertheless, the ball is with Ningrong. A change in corner takers. Ningrong with a beautiful delivery in the box. No one at the back post, but Winner is there to clear, and Dumpling to clean up the mess. Now Sorami is up there all alone with two defenders to face. Sorami waits for support. Now Myson with the ball. Myson goes past the goalkeeper. Myson! It's 2-0! United Brothers 2, Myson with a goal, and that might as well be game over. What a beautiful, what a well-worked goal that was. Sorami holding up play exceptionally before Myson was there with the run, and Sorami found Myson with a beautiful, beautiful pass. Myson only had to go past the goalkeeper and find the back of the net. Surely, that is game over for Phungyar FC. The crowds are disappearing. The crowds are going back home. Do you think that's game over?
I think the game is over because I think Phungyar wouldn't be able to score another 2 goals. At this rate, the match belongs to United Brothers FC. And
but this was what we were talking about right from the first half, like the ruthlessness of United Brothers on the counter attack. Just look at that. One corner kick, one simple clearance, found Sorami there. Sorami with an excellent hold up of play, found Myson who was running through, and Myson to finish
with a very good
the well-worked team goal. Excellent goal. Something with the ball. Temso. Chirichan. We're getting 3 minutes of stoppage time at the end of regulation time. Winner. Now it's Warjiso. Warjiso plays it out for Totmungtan. Totmungtan takes it down the byline, going head to head with Crispin. And finds Warjiso.
Match
Something is
Karehiwi,
there.
match official Spain.
Relaxingly
Referee
strolling back.
CH
Looks
Samson
like
Singh. Assistant
the
1
cramps have
Yulung.
gotten the better of
Assistant 2
Majonhor, who's
Machu
just
Kushum.
trudging
Official
at the moment. He's not
Lovejoy
trying to
around
run at all.
Samidalai.
But
Kala
that
match
might not be
commissioner
necessary
He
because
Owaning
United
Kushum.
Brothers are comfortable,
Referee assessor
comfortably
He
2-0 up,
Joy Singh.
and that might
HOR
be the end of the
and foul.
game. But we still have 2 minutes to go,
Jitemi
and
Delay. Referee He CH
PHUNGYAR FC are still
Samson Singh.
trying
Assistant
to
1 Yulung.
half
Assistant
the
2
deficit
Machu
and see if
Kushum.
they can get a chance
Fourth
to get back to
official
level packing here.
Lovejoy
Winner.
Brown. Match commissioner He Owaning
Winner
Kushum
to
Samidalai.
Myson,
Referee
the scorer of the
assessor
second goal.
Joy Chandra Singh.
Totmungtan.
Head of referee
Myson's pass to
and
Majonhor cut off by Totmungtan. Totmungtan takes the ball forward, but it's won back again by Myson, who has been one of the best players for United Brothers. Has been a great player in the game so far. Along with Winner, they have controlled the midfield, and I think that is where the game has been won. Something to Soromi. Soromi looks for the run of Rock. Rock is there all alone on the right flank. Has Chirichan for company. Referee allows play to go on. Here's Winner. Winner with two players has two players to contend with, and it's won back by United Brothers. It's won back by PHUNGYAR FC. Here's Stingray. Stingray on the ball. Temso. Temso with a deft pass for Stingray, but Varichan very well positioned to clear away the danger. Something. Winner and Rock are both there. Rock loses it out to Chirichan. Chirichan going on for one of his lung-bursting runs again, but it's cut off by Tamri Singh, who plays it back to Henser and concedes throw-in. Chirichan again, full 90 minutes, he's still running. That boy has got some lungs and some muscles in his feet. Wow, what a player. Leishi Singh now. Leishi Singh, beautiful ball for Totmungtan. Totmungtan wins the corner. Ramgam clears. Something is there. Fights for the ball with Pamay. Pamay wins the ball back. Leishi Singh is there with the ball. Leishi Singh wins a free kick off Crispin. A free kick in a very dangerous position, and a yellow card for Crispin.
SHIRUI Lily Cup 2021 National Level Football Tournament week. Current match United Brothers FC kala PHUNGYAR FC na mathalagan leomitle kala match United Brothers FC na call khani PHUNGYAR FC 0 da reodak lene hui pa hina day 29 league quarter final
Leishi Singh to take the free kick for PHUNGYAR FC. This might be last chance saloon for PHUNGYAR FC, but even if they do score, it might be too late, but you never know. Leishi Singh with a low ball into the box, comes right off Temso, and United Brothers clear their line. Mahangam at the back for PHUNGYAR. Warren. Leishi Singh.
21 we ticket rate hilupam kumang mane.
Lei Sing looking for the run of Tolmungtan and Ningrong there on the right flank. Tolmungtan puts the ball into the box, but can only find Crispin now, clearing up the mess for United Brothers. Sorum is up there. Has had a terrific game so far, the youngster. And that is the full-time whistle. It's United Brothers who come out as winners of the opening match of the 29th edition of the 21st edition of the SHIRUI Lily Football. Sorry, of the 29th edition of the SHIRUI Lily Football Club. Apologies for that. United Brothers coming out as 2-0 winners with Kangata Tungshangnao and Maisen scoring the 2 goals for United Brothers. It's been an excellent game so far. We hope you were entertained as much as we were entertained, and we will see you for the next match.
United Brothers FC in T29 League, Shillong Lajong FC League, Reura. Akama we match hi punga khali hopogra, Pasi FC kala Klasa FC na Reura. Ya rezai korana, ring pala kena krak domilu shitlo gaji hi organizing committee we bakena sakla kena paniung kang sakna. Ya rezai korali ni shila khaira. Team kaniwi managers na natumi match money ji iwi pangai na khrau khimilo 5,000 hi match money sada utsana kamine jena team manager khani United Brothers FC kala PHUNGYAR FC na khawau khoni shadlai kha iwi pangai na nishui match money 5,000 ji khrau khimilo.
Hello.
Wireless.
Yarbo.
Good evening. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tata. Congratulations. Thara ke match nei. Nishi le first half ba adam le pungi kitina threatening sai nimla. But after that nishi goal score sai le nishi dominate sai. No overall feeling clear thada match performance thada kya ni ngong hangla.
Iwi wang ba mai jing phai chika ba ground ka thar teammates ping la chung khmai national mang ne. And moreover achi ba hi practice thala in ka sala ka fit sang line khra lamning thugi da match ki teo ka thada alungli chang khang ro tran ma cha khang ro or tempo ke chawi tempo jing zan khmai thi sure da ithumi thada khre jang the khang ro we thi sure lang ngajai me pa me moreover ground condition ni la ka thar sau da ngro ko silang ro shi pa me ka football hi tai yang dominate isina goal chang khre ba hina thada dominate sa ba me chena second half li la sina sing li dai laga chi thi li le sina kol ga chang jina asilo ung shona yang chi football khangjan ne chena you feeling by I ring pai for the first time SHIRUI after so many years
10 years.
Yeah, after so many years isini da rang ro ka ara isini yu ka isi preparation islam thamai da hona why sara ara next level shlong la jong a better team da yang.
So na first half boy right back in how boy nishi ningwan chazo nimla ningwan chaza hai ne nishi tamri sing zang la na right back when center back zang awi na experience dai da ngok shop ne ka da right back when center back khang defense khale ka da plus pressure situation dai da khla da nishi jadam chang ne 1-0 mong lai sai 2-0 karang sai pressure situation khla dam na na shepherd jang sa khmi ji how important is that kla the experience si da kya important sa ju game you know experience na mu shin
mai thada shijin ne da hang bai jiga ba jiba thada itum na game situation hi ritsau ge da hili coach na wau ga trai sala itum ma shamne crowd prepping we cheer ga sawi akhon la pong me ba mau chena moreover changdakle player ba ji ka tha dang ro ka chi hi itum study re da sai senior player sa da ali kya ka important sara alungli an ga pum important sa mini ga or at least inang jan me sa sala la in ga jang kana me ra ga ji ba hi him talent study sar ga ai tha ka in jangau ge chi hai ne ali ayar ping ne ka chot da chon me ba mau ge na alung na ga ko ko me chena.
Okay, so Chico Shui decision as a captain and alungli change sala.
Mai ine ka sa ne alungli.
Wow. Congratulations on the win. All the best for the next game against Lajong.
Thank you.
Thank you.